Is my journey to becoming a top Amazon creator actually working, or is it not working? Well, I have the updated data to share with you on my earnings so far since I started this basically mini series on becoming a top Amazon creator. So I'm excited. And guys, I appreciate your comments. You guys have been so lovely and making me wanted to keep going and not stop. I actually hired a YouTube coach, and so there's been a little bit of delay with my YouTube videos because I'm trying to get better at these for you. But you know what? I threw everything aside and I said, let's just make this video and get it up because I want to share the details. So I first started doing this series about 3 months ago. So that would be January, February, March, April. April is when I first started, and my goal was basically to get back to the basics and do what I know works best for me. So my strategies that I've been sharing with you, the main one that I do and stick to is always just uploading videos consistently each week. I don't think, I don't overthink, I don't over worry about things. I just let perfectionism step aside and just get into posting those videos, because guess what? That is where it's going to come from. I also did some other things that I can share with you at the end that have really spiked up my sales without having to recreate new videos. And I had no idea that this would work, but it sure does. So stick with me. I'll share that at the end. Don't forget to check out the other videos that I know are going to help you. But let's dive into the numbers, okay? So first off, when I started, it was me just kind of haphazardly doing this, not really fully into this, okay? So in March, I left off and it was $661. That's how much I earned from my videos. Remember, I really wasn't putting in any effort at all. I was just kind of riding on what I had, maybe uploading a video here or there, but nothing consistent. Guys, consistency is the only thing that you need to make this. This is the one thing that you need. You need consistency. If you can consistently upload a video here and there every single day or every other day, that is what's gonna be the boost for you. That's it. That's the secret sauce. Oh my gosh. It's so simple. It's so stupid. It's so simple. But in March, I made $661. Nothing to be crazy about, but I know a lot of people that $661 would mean the world to. So yeah, it's not chump change. And it's worth it. The next month, April, this is when I started diving in really hard and I created this series, and I'm like, I'm gonna show everyone that I can be a top creator. This month, I still only spent about an hour a week, but more consistently, $966. So that's $300 more, $300. The next month, because I was also going in hard on YouTube, I feel like I was splitting my energy and trying to find that rhythm, right? So I hovered right around $935 again for the next month. So I didn't slide down, just stayed right about the same. But then the next month I increased it. So June, I went to $1,078. And then July, and I have to say something. We all know that Prime Day happened in July, but I've been through this over 4 years now, and every time Amazon Prime Day comes around, I see my sales dip the full week before, and they're not as heavy after. But you know, I've learned something. I used to stress myself out over Amazon Prime Day. Get all the posts up, get all the videos up, post on your social medias. I just don't really post on my social medias very often. I did start doing Pinterest more often, and that's really been super helpful. And obviously I do my YouTube, my review channel on YouTube. So that's always really good because people are literally searching for the things that I'm doing reviews on. But in July, I did see an uptick. It went to $1,459. And I don't think I can credit Amazon Prime Day, because I feel like the dip with the little bit of a spike, it was like a 2-day spike. Honestly, I feel like I would have made this much without having that day in there. So that is something to be said. What has been really working for me personally is creator connections. I made over $1,000. I made about $1,300 on one product alone in the past couple months, and it was for my Bronco topper because of creator connections. If you're not sure what creator connections is, I do have a video that's going to be after this one with creator connection details, and you can check that one out. But yeah, if we look at it, I've increased my income every single month without doing anything crazy, without spending a ton of time. And also I've been traveling too within all of these. Like right now I'm in California and I'm at a very nice Airbnb. I am looking at the ocean. I can hear the ocean. You guys, I paid for this with Amazon money. Like, it's kind of crazy that I was able to do that. And I'm just excited to share. You guys can have things, you can do things, and you can live a life that's more freeing. I know money can't buy happiness, but it can buy you a view. And I'm just gonna take you for a quick little walk because why not? But I'm in La Jolla, California, and this is my view. This place was not cheap. Yeah, it's been really, really fun. And again, the only reason that I've been slowing down on making these videos is I got in my head. Try not to get in your head. Try and stay out of your head and just post. Just make the videos. And I'm going to do the same. So I'm not going to be on a hiatus. I did start a new YouTube channel. I'm not even supposed to say this to you guys because YouTube has to find my new algorithm of people and get the right people to me. So I'm going to be posting all of my videos there eventually and creating all new content. That's what I've been doing, is creating all new content to that channel. So I'm going to be posting it, and once it's been up for a week or two, I'll be able to tell you guys, so you guys can go and follow that one. But I'm going to put all of my YouTube videos over there versus having them here, where it's my most viewed videos are coffee videos, which is great. I love making coffee videos, but it's really confusing to YouTube, so they don't know who to share my stuff with. So, but this will be fun, and we'll be able to continue doing this more often. And oh, I said that I was going to give you a little bonus item. Okay, my bonus item is this: Creator Connections, and find things that cost more. Like, do bigger items. So like I started doing my dresser, and I did my other like just more expensive items that people are everyday items that people are searching for. And I made new videos, and I made specific videos that are like my top 5 things for my Bronco. And then I made sure that those items that are in Creator Connections are in there. And how I usually find what is in my Creator Connections, this is another little bonus. I guess you get 2 bonuses, but whenever you click on items that you've ordered, look at the top, and you can see this on your phone too. See if it says in the Creator Connections. If it's in Creator Connections, click that button, click accept, and accept it. And then you just want to go and make sure you have your video uploaded for that item on YouTube. You share the link in your Creator Connections, and then you start making that extra commission. Some are 20%, some are 15, some are 10. It's extra money that you're going to get. So if you're new to that and you haven't started doing that, that is one of the best ways to make extra money. And when I look at my stats, really a lot of my money has been coming from Creator Connections, not just from the video reviews. So I hope that that helps, and I'm excited to share more tips. And my goal is I only have a few months to do it, but I really do want to get to $10,000 per month. I've been more than halfway there before, and I just slowed down. So you guys, don't slow down if you're just starting. Don't give up, because it's just the consistency of posting and not giving up, and don't take too much time off between. If you do take time off, just pick it back up. Like, just get out of your own head. It'll work, I promise. It's been working for me for 4 years, and no matter when I have a dip, it's always my own fault for not posting. And as long as I post, it comes. So, all right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for being here, and I'm really sorry for the delay. I know that most people won't notice, but the people that do notice, thank you for your comments. You guys keep me going, and I'm going to make sure that this is going to be amazing, and we're going to do this together, and we are going to go far. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.